Welcome to Gyanipidiya 2.0. Today we will discuss about a type of renewable energy, solar energy. What is solar energy? The sun is an incredible and renewable resource that has the power to fuel life on earth and provide clean, sustainable energy to all of its inhabitants. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant form of renewable energy, and it can convert it into electricity through solar photovoltaic panels. Few facts about solar energy. Solar cells first came into being back in 1876. In 1953, when Kelvin Fuller, Darlene Champion and Garland Pearson discovered the silicon solar cell. In 1956, the first solar cells became available commercially. In 1970s, lower cost production of solar cells was discovered, and from 1970s to 1990s, a huge boom observed. What is solar radiation? Solar radiation is radiant energy emitted by the sun from a nuclear fusion reaction that creates electromagnetic energy. This is in three forms: ultraviolet light, infrared and visible light. How does solar energy works? Solar radiation comes from sunlight, fall on the solar panels, and that converts the sunlight into direct current, and then an inverter converts this direct current into alternative current, and the alternative current used as household purpose. The extra power may be used by the grids. What is solar photovoltaic? Photovoltaic cells or solar cells are electronic devices that convert sunlight into direct electricity. Edmond Becquerel, a young physicist in 1839, first discovered photovoltaic. Types of solar photovoltaic panels: monocrystalline solar panels, polycrystalline solar panels, and thin film solar panels. Mechanism of solar power generation. Solar panels absorb sunlight and daylight. The light is solar radiation in three forms: ultraviolet light, infrared and visible light. These different forms of light absorb different levels, some more effectively than others. When the sunlight interacts with the silicon solar cells, the electrons begin to move. This is called photovoltaic effect. These moving electrons create the flow of electrical current which is captured by nodes and wiring in the solar panels. The wires then feed the direct current electricity into the solar inverter. The solar inverter converts the alternative current into electricity and it is usable by the appliances and electronics. Advantages of solar energy. Solar power saves money in long run. Solar power is safe for indoor uses. Solar power is portable through anywhere. Solar equipment costs little to maintain. And solar power is easy to install. Disadvantages of solar energy. Solar energy requires huge installation area. Solar energy depends on geographical location and climatic conditions. Initial installation cost is huge and it requires a good power storage. Uses of solar energy. Solar energy may be used in various purposes like generation, solar electricity, water heating, transportation, solar lighting, solar pumping, and solar cooking. Top 5 solar power plants in India. The first one is Bhadla Solar Power Park in Rajasthan. Next, Pavagada Solar Power Park in Karnataka. The third one is Kurnul Ultra Mega Solar Power Park in Andhra Pradesh. NP Kunta in Andhra Pradesh. And Chanka Solar Park in Gujarat. Global industrialization and increased energy demands forces us to move towards sustainable energy sources. In this context, solar energy is the most sustainable and renewable energy source. To mitigate energy demands using solar energy is the best option available.